Top 7 similarities between Islam and Hinduism. On the surface, it may seem that Islam and Hinduism have nothing in common, but that couldn't be far from the truth. In fact, there are rich similarities that both religions share. These similarities are so strong and basic, it's wonder that there are any tensions between the two. Before proceeding, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your loved one. Fact number 1. Both religions believe that God gave man free will so that he could be responsible for his actions. The God is kind enough to let us choose our path and be responsible for it. Fact number 2. Both religions believe that God has the power to execute and enforce his wills. It's mentioned in both the Quran and the Gita that God is supreme being and has complete power over the universe, guiding it according to his vision. Fact number 3. Both Islam and Hinduism accept that God loves everyone equally and that he hears prayers. Fact number 4. Both religions believe in responsibility of each individual towards others, that is, charity, righteousness, forgiveness, compassion are considered to be most important qualities to develop. Fact number 5. Both religions believe that remembering and reciting names of God and mantras creates an inner connection to the divine. This is why prayer is done 5 times in a day in Islam and why Hindus are encouraged to keep the mind connected to spirituality throughout the day. Fact number 6. Both religions advocate non-violence. Both Hinduism and Islam believe killing is a sin unless it's absolutely necessary. Fact number 7. Islam and Hinduism teach that each individual should be free to make their own beliefs, choosing whatever spiritual paths works for them. Hope you like this video guys. Please like this video and don't forget to comment